Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics: battery above 20% and Bluetooth enabled on your phone or Mac. Once done, remove the smart case and place the AirPods Max within inches of the device. Make sure the device is unlocked so pairing dialogues appear. Press and hold the noise control button until the LED flashes white to enter pairing mode. You'll hear a chime. This confirms the headphones are discoverable and ready to connect. You should now choose AirPods Max from the Bluetooth menu. Tap to pair. Once paired, open settings to enable automatic switching so audio moves between your iPhone and Mac seamlessly. Make sure to set the noise control mode: active noise cancellation for quiet environments, transparency to hear surroundings. You can also fine-tune spatial audio and head tracking in the same panel. Adjust these to taste. If prompted, follow any firmware update steps. These improve performance and fix bugs. To finish, get comfortable with controls. Use the digital crown to play, pause, skip, and change volume, and long press to summon Siri. When you're done, return the headphones to the smart case to preserve battery life. If audio cuts out or pairing fails, reset the AirPods Max by holding the noise control button and digital crown for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then repair. Make sure source volume isn't muted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.